finish my chores.
Miss Oil, I'd like you to vote for me for president. If you...
This is an emergency broadcast from the state of New York. The following counties, Westchester, Orange, Rockland, Bronx, Putnam, and Dutchess County, are under a civil warning. The suspect shown below is highly dangerous. He is 5 feet and 11 inches in height, weighing roughly 179 pounds. If you see the suspect, do not approach him. Keep your distance, and contact your local authorities immediately. Again, he is extremely dangerous and will harm you if he sees you. Please stay safe.
If you want a good-looking guy in the White House, vote for me, babe.
I can't go to the